Welcome! In this video, you will find useful visuals and tips for the In the Good Hands engineering unit. In Adventures 2, 3, and 4, youth test materials to see how well they protect us from space hazards like cold, impact, and dangerous dust. First, we'll do the cold station tests. Each group will test model gloves with a different material. We'll use sponges as our example. Note, they must be dried out for the tape to stick. Youth will test out their designs with the cardboard hand so that their body heat doesn't affect the results. Plan ahead so that you have ice ready for the test. Here is an example of good insulation. Here is an example of poor insulation. Next up is the impact testing station. The skewer models a tool being used, and the washer weight models a falling rock. Each group will test different materials, similar to the previous test. This time, we will show cotton balls as an example. For this test, spaghetti in a glove models bones in a hand. Here is an example of the testing procedure youth will follow for impact. Let's move on to the dust testing station. The dust station is now ready for testing. Youth will retrieve washers from the pan. Then, they will need to wipe the glove once with a paper towel before viewing the glove under a black light. It might be helpful for youth to find a darker place in the room or turn the lights out. They will need to record the dust in 4 areas of the glove. For example, it looks like we have dust in areas A, B, C, and D. Yikes! Dust can cause a variety of issues in space. In Adventure 5, learners will use the information from the previous activities to guide them as they choose materials, design, and construct a model space glove. It must protect against hazards, but also allow for the use of tools. Each simulation has specific criteria. For example, if we choose the moon simulation, we need a glove that will protect us from cold and dust. Here's a tip. Have youth test for dust before they test for cold, so that it doesn't stick to the moisture left from the cold test. In all activities, make sure youth know to reset each testing station when finished. Nice work! Check out our website for more on space hazards.